Whoa! Hey there, campers. We just walked down from Windy the Waterbugs, and boy, was that a long walk. Now we're here upstream to see what the differences between upstream and downstream are. Let's see if there are any critters we can talk to around here. Oh, critters! Critters! Come out for Ranger Dave! Golly gee willikers, Junior campers! Look at that! It's a rare Catonsvillian pink tree frog. Let's go get him.
I'm Freddy the Frog.
Well, hey there, Freddy. How do you like it living here upstream?
I'm pretty happy here. There's not a lot of people, so there's not that much pollution. It's pretty shallow. There's lots of rocks here. Sometimes it's hard to see though. Because there's lots of leaves, so it's difficult to swim.
Yeah, that would be difficult for a tree frog. Hey kids, you know what you need when situations like what just happened with Windy occur? A science buddy! I'm gonna call my science buddy! Bill Nye the Science Guy. Let me call him real quick. It's ringing. Now I'm on hold.
Hello?
Hey, Bill. I have an issue. I just met this water bug named Windy, and her habitat is horrible. It smells of poo, there are leaves everywhere, the ground is soft and people sink in it, there's no food for Windy. What should I do?
Just bring in a water sample from each of the 2 locations. I'll run the proper tests in my lab, and I'll explain more when you get here.
Okay, gotcha. Bye. All right, well, he said that we need to take samples. Ah! So that's just what we'll do. Now get real close. Watch what I do now. Until there are no bubbles left in this frigid water. And but wait. To make sure that it's watertight, I can screw it on in the water. Now I have an awesome, super cool downstream sample! Let's go upstream and see what we can find.
Ranger Dave, thank you for these. It's a good thing you label them so we don't get them confused. So right now I'm just going to run a pH test, turbidity, phosphates, nitrates, and conductivity, and I'll give you a call in 30 minutes. Alright, first we've got pH, which is the acidity or basicity of a water. And it's important because certain organisms need a certain range to survive. Next is turbidity, or suspended particles in the water, also be measured by the cloudiness. And then we've got conductivity, which measures the salt ions, and some species can't survive in certain levels of conductivity. Then we got phosphates, which are nutrients. And we've got nitrates, which are also nutrients. Alright. So the pH level seems to be almost the same, and it's well within the range of normal water. And we've got turbidity. Upstream seems to have a slightly higher level of turbidity. Ranger Dave, Bill Nye here. I finished running all the tests, and it seems that the results are pretty close. Upstream seems to have a little bit less normal water, but it's well within the range of survival, so there's really no problem in Herbert Run.